Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check iPhone warranty expiry date. So to do this, you just need to go to settings, and after settings, scroll a little bit down to general, click on it, and after that, click on about. And as you can see, you will find like the limited warranty, and you will find near to it the expiry date. For example, in my case, it's 20 February 2025, and you will find also the coverage detail of your iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video, and see you in the next